3 pools, 2 social areas, 2 gyms, a rooftop sun deck, and a block from the beach. This is Peninsula number 12. Hi, I'm Melanie Engel, and thank you so much for watching. I'm your top luxury brokerage here in this beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are at one of my new exclusive listings. We are on Playa Langosta. I cannot wait to show you this, a beautiful condo. Come enjoy this property tour with us today. Welcome to Peninsula number 12. This condo is almost 1,900 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. When you first walk in, you're greeted with this beautiful open social area. Then you've got the kitchen, and on the back side you have the bedroom. This condo has everything you need. Here in the kitchen, it's an L shape. You've got stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, these beautiful light cupboards. Right here's the laundry room, and you've got the social area and the dining area right beside it. Here is the principal bedroom. You're going to find a king bed. It comes fully furnished with this beautiful furniture. There's an ensuite bathroom with beautiful tile, and it has patio doors, quite spacious covered terrace. There's a sitting area, and they've also placed a dining room area out here. I hear the monkeys. Here is the first guest suite. They currently have it set up as 2 twin beds. You can put it together to make a king if you like. You have a wall of closets, and you have this little window here, gives some natural light. Here's the second guest bedroom, or the third bedroom. In here you're going to find a queen bed, a desk with a little TV, a nice closet, and this one has a patio door. It's quite spacious. You can enjoy the outside and listen to the monkeys and the birds. One of the best things about Peninsula is the amenities here. There are 2 buildings, and you will see they have multiple pools. This building has rooftop deck and this wonderful social area. If you want to come hang out with your friends, enjoy these incredible views, watch the sunset and have cocktails, you're welcome to. Let's go take a look. Up here, you're on top of the world. As far as you can see, mountains, boats, oceans, islands, and right behind, this is all protected green zone. It will always stay green all year long. How fun is this? Your kids and your renters' kids are going to love the playground here. There's also a huge covered area that you can hang out, dine, play cards. There's ice makers, and there's a full kitchen here as well. There's 2 pools and 2 areas like this. You've got a barbecue, fridge, microwave, and ice maker. This is a great spot if you want to come, cook some lunch, barbecue some dinner, and hang out at the pool. Here is a second pool. You have a shallow end, a super long deep end, and a place to soak up the sun. You also have covered area here that you can dine, barbecue. You have the choice between pool 1 or pool 2. Here at Peninsula, you have an elevator or the stairs if you feel like staying fit. You've got underground parking, and you've got 24-hour security, so you have nothing to worry about. There are 2 gyms here, and here's the one closest to the condo. It has everything you need, cardio and weights, and a full equipment rack. Right across the street from the condo, you're going to find �𝐿𝐿 Hotel. There they have a really great restaurant. 2 minutes down the road, you're going to find snow cones, the sidebar. They have cocktails, happy hour every day, 4 to 6. And a little bit further down this way, you're going to find a grocery store, pizza, and other great sports bars and restaurants. Everything is so close to the condo. A block from the condo, you're going to find this entranceway to the beach. It's really beautiful. Let's go. Playa Langosta is just a couple minutes drive away from the beautiful white sands of Playa Tamarindo. That is the top destination for tourism, and there you're going to find many bars and restaurants and all the nightlife. They also have incredible surf and a place to watch the sunset and have cocktails right on the beach. Less than a 5-minute walk away from the condo, you arrive at this beautiful white sand beach called Playa Langosta. Here it's amazing for beach walks. You can actually walk all the way from Playa Tamarindo at low tide, and here it's amazing for surfing, a great spot for the sunset, and especially just for soaking up these beautiful days in Costa Rica. If you would like this dream and this paradise to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. Have a wonderful day. Pura vida.